This is a brief tutorial on how to color code an equation using Inkscape. Suppose I've made a diagram, and I'd like to color code an equation relating to that diagram. In this case, I have a diagram representing the electric field from a point charge, and I want to typeset and color code Coulomb's law. In Inkscape, I'll go to Extensions, then Text, and then Formula, pdflatex. I can enter in the equation I want to typeset, hit Apply, and have Inkscape render my equation. Inkscape renders all the paths that make up the typeset equation in a new group, and I can drag the whole equation to just where I want it. In order to select parts of the equation, I need to double-click to enter the group. From there, I can use the selector tool to select just the parts of my equation that I want to recolor. For instance, maybe I want to color all the parts of the equation related to the separation r in blue. So I will select those parts and select the new color from the menu at the bottom of the screen. I select the parts and the new color. Continuing on, I want to color the charge dq in red, and finally the electric field dE in purple. In order to exit the group, I double-click outside it, and now I can move my whole equation around again as a unit. To summarize, typeset your equation from the Extensions menu. Double-click on the equation to enter the group. Use the Selector tool to select and recolor parts of your equation. Double-click outside the equation to exit the group. That's how to color code your equations using Inkscape.